Welcome to the Bro Storekeeper Technical SKT Exam Guide. This video is designed to help you understand the key topics and strategies for preparing for the SKT exam. The storekeeper technical role is crucial in organizations like Bro, where managing materials, maintaining records, and ensuring security are top priorities. We'll cover the syllabus, important shortcuts, and preparation tips. Whether you're new to the field or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essentials, from accounting of stores to inventory control, fire safety, and arithmetic. Let's begin by exploring the main subjects and their significance in the exam, setting a strong foundation for your study plan. Store management in Bro involves several critical processes, including store accounting, stock verification, and inventory control. The store ledger and bin card are fundamental tools for tracking material quantity and value. Methods like FIFO, first in, first out, and LIFO, last in, first out, help manage stock efficiently, ensuring older materials are used first or last, depending on the situation. Documents such as Goods Receipt Note (GRN) and Material Issue Voucher (MIV) are essential for recording material receipt and issue. Proper preservation techniques such as moisture protection and prevention of rust are vital for maintaining material quality. Understanding these concepts not only helps in exam preparation but also ensures effective store operations in real-world scenarios. Success in the SKT exam depends on a structured approach to study and revision. Start by reading the entire book once to get an overview. Use highlighters and underline key points for easy revision. Practice MCQs regularly and focus on shortcuts like FIFO, LIFO, GRN, MIV, EOQ, ABC Analysis, VED Analysis, FSN Analysis, and 5S System. Allocate dedicated hours for each subject. Storekeeper technical topics, arithmetic, general knowledge, and English grammar. Take short breaks during study sessions to maintain concentration. Ensure you have all necessary materials ready before the exam and never leave the exam hall early. Wearing comfortable clothing and practicing at home can boost your confidence and performance. Remember, consistent practice and smart revision are the keys to scoring high. Duties of a storekeeper in Bro are diverse and require attention to detail. Material receipt and issue, record maintenance, stock verification, and inventory control are the core responsibilities. Security measures such as access control, gate pass systems, and CCTV monitoring are essential for preventing theft and pilferage. Handling precautions for fragile and heavy materials, proper packing methods, and maintaining accurate dispatch documents ensure smooth operation. Regular stock audits and reconciliation help maintain transparency and accuracy. By mastering these duties and understanding their importance, you not only prepare well for the exam but also develop skills that are highly valued in technical store management roles.